Making money by listening to music sounds like a scam, right? But what if there are real ways people are actually getting paid for it? Some sites offer up to $15 per song, and others let you earn cash just by playing music in the background. It sounds too good to be true, but with all the new opportunities in 2025, is this a real way to earn or just another online scam? After researching many sources, the answer is clear. There are real ways to make money, but not all sites are worth your time. Some pay consistently, some make big promises but barely pay, and a few might just waste your time. So how does it actually work, and which methods really put cash in your pocket? One of the simplest ways people are earning money is through online radio sites that pay users for listening to music. Sites like RadioEarn.com offer passive income just by keeping the music playing. The process is easy. Sign up, turn on the radio, and after every 15 minutes, you start earning. It sounds simple, but actually getting paid is another issue. Many users report earning only a few cents per session, and withdrawing the money can be frustrating. Reviews on Trustpilot reveal frequent delays and complicated payment policies. While it's not a total scam, using this method alone won't be enough to earn good cash. It's best as extra income while using other sites that pay more. Another way to make money is by reviewing tracks. Sites like Playlist Push and Sound Campaign connect artists with listeners who give feedback on their songs. Independent artists use these sites to promote their tracks, and they pay users for writing reviews. You can make up to $15 per review, so doing 10 reviews could get you $150. Compared to listening to music passively, this method requires more effort. Users need to write detailed reviews, sharing their thoughts on things like melody, lyrics, and overall quality. These sites are usually picky about who can join, often selecting people who have experience with music or who have built a following for their playlists. While this method takes more effort, it is one of the highest paying ways to make money by listening to music. For those who don't want to write reviews, paid link shortening sites might be a better option. Sites like shrinkme.io let users shorten a song or playlist link and earn money whenever someone clicks on it. Here's how it works. Find a popular song, shorten its link, and share it on social media, blogs, or forums. You get paid per click, with rates up to $22 per 1,000 clicks. At first, this sounds like an easy way to make money, but the challenge is getting people to actually click your links. If you don't already have an audience or a good way to promote them, making good money isn't easy. People who succeed with this method usually have large social media followings or share their links in online communities where music lovers are actively searching for new songs. Another method is earning money through music downloads on platforms like appforever.net. This works by uploading copyright-free music, which you can find on sites like Pixabay, and earning money every time someone downloads it. One can earn up to $7 for every 1,000 downloads, which can turn into a steady income if you promote your music well. Unlike the link shortening method, this strategy depends on actual downloads rather than clicks, making it harder unless the music is very popular. Successful users usually share their content on social media, forums, and music sharing platforms, encouraging people to download their tracks legally. Another increasingly popular method is music curation. Websites like musicgateway.com pay users to create playlists and attract listeners. The more popular the playlist, the more money one can make. Spotify and YouTube play a big role here because curators with large followings can connect with independent artists looking for more exposure. Creating a playlist that attracts thousands of plays takes effort, but once it's successful, it can generate passive income. The key to success is knowing what music is trending, organizing songs in a way that keeps listeners engaged, and promoting the playlist on platforms like Reddit, TikTok, and Instagram. One of the biggest trends of 2025 is making money by listening to music. Sites such as cashstar.com claim to pay people for listening to songs on Spotify and YouTube. People can make between $10 and $15 per song, but there's a catch. Most of these sites have waiting lists, meaning users have to sign up and wait for approval, which can take months. Some people say they get paid regularly once accepted, but many never make it past the sign-up stage. Although it might be worth a try, this isn't a fast way to start making money. For people who can write, Fiverr offers another way to earn money. Many artists are willing to pay for detailed feedback on their music, creating a growing market for freelance music reviewers. A quick search for music review on Fiverr finds that some sellers offer $25 per review, with hundreds of orders fulfilled. This method takes more effort compared to curating playlists or passive streaming, but it pays more per session. People who understand music theory or industry trends tend to attract more clients, so it's a good way to earn money in the gig economy. One of the best ways people are making money from music doesn't even require listening. It's through YouTube lyric videos. Some faceless channels earn hundreds of thousands of dollars per month simply by posting song lyric videos. These channels usually feature popular songs with properly licensed audio and make money from ads. According to sites like ViewStats, some of the biggest channels in this niche earn up to $2 million per month. To build a successful channel, you need to post consistently, use engaging visuals, and understand YouTube's monetization rules. But once your channel gains traction, the earnings potential is huge. Some sites offer less common ways to earn money, such as like4like.org, where users can trade music plays for social media engagement. The points earned can be exchanged for services on Fiverr or other freelance platforms. While this isn't a direct way to make money from listening to music, it provides an indirect method to turn music plays into earnings. The payouts are small, but when combined with other strategies, it can be more profitable. Some apps, like Cash Magnet, promise to pay users for allowing the app to collect data while running in the background. Some people use these apps while listening to music, allowing them to earn money without extra effort. The earnings are low, but for those who don't mind sharing their data, it can be an easy way to make some extra cash. Making money from listening to music isn't as simple as it sounds. While some platforms offer passive income, the most profitable methods require effort, strategy, and persistence. Reviewing songs, curating playlists, using YouTube, and offering freelance services are some of the best ways to make real money. People who combine multiple methods tend to get the best results. While none of these strategies will make you rich overnight, with the right approach, they can provide a steady side income. If you want to try these methods, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Magnates for more ways to earn online.